What it is, Ryan? Hurry up.
The little boy.
No. A for apple. B for ball. B for cat.
C for cat.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
G.
G for giraffe. Very good. H for
Chicken.
H for hen. Okay, now this is the favorite thing that Ryan likes to eat. I for
Ice cream.
very good. J for
Water.
J for jug.
Truck.
Next,
K. K is for kite. K is for kite.
A for kite. Do you know how to fly a kite?
Yes.
L for Ryan.
Tiger.
No, it's not a tiger. Sit properly in the chair.
Lion.
It's a lion. M for
Monkey.
monkey. Very good. N for
Bird.
N for nest. N for nest.
And
Read it out.
Nest.
O for
Nest. Nest.
O for
Owl.
owl. Very good. P for, come on, Ryan.
B.
P for parrot.